Hi, we're here at the Prevo Motorhome Expo in West Palm Beach, Florida. I'm going to visit the service booth with Joe Stefanczuk. Hey Joe, Colin, how are you doing this morning?
Good, and you?
Why don't you tell us what you got going on here?
Well, first of all, obviously, it's a booth for our service departments across from Texas. As we advertise Oregon, Texas, so customers are aware that we have more than just one location. And the purpose of being here is for our customer to understand that we do a lot of remodels at all the locations and then provide full service. And we have a row of brochures that they can take and ask us questions about. And we've just been obviously making more business on the internal, the service department.
I'm a technician, and here on this trip I got my service van, and I've been going around the campground and helping people with their issues.
The show has been very successful. I think it's probably the best show, the show that we go to promote our business and our coaches.